Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious plant-based loaded baked potatoes. These are so yummy and you can use whatever is in your fridge to make them. So let's get started. First, set your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This is optional, but if you would like to make some cashew-based sour cream, what you're going to do now is take a cup of cashews. And you're gonna add in some boiling water and cover them so that they're like extra creamy so that it really looks like sour cream.
You're gonna soften them.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's just gonna be like powdered ground cashews.
Yeah, that. We have some plant-based cashew tips for you because some people think that cashews are super expensive. And we have found that if you find cashew pieces, they're less expensive than if you buy the cashews whole, and always make sure to find them in bulk. Like Whole Foods has them in bulk. There's also natural food stores around us that have them in bulk, but at Whole Foods they're only $7.99 a pound for the cashew pieces, and at the local stores around here they're $11.99 a pound. So we go that extra distance to get to Whole Foods so that we can buy the cheaper cashews. So now's the time that you would go and wash all of your potatoes so that you can prepare them to go into the oven. We've noticed that if you poke holes in them, it really doesn't make a big difference in our oven. So there's really no point in going that extra step and poking holes in them because that really does take a lot of time. So it's easier to just wash them, chuck them in the oven. What we do every week for our meal prep is we just cook off a ton of potatoes and leave them in the fridge and then use them in different ways throughout the week. Wow. Set a timer for 1 hour. So next we're gonna make the loaded part. This is where we're just gonna cut up a ton of veggies, and just like Steph's curry, we're gonna cut up one at a time, let it start cooking, come back, cut, cook, cut, cook. I got this idea from a medical medium recipe and just kind of made it my own. The best thing to do about this recipe is actually just use whatever you have in your fridge. So like right now, we have this old piece of an eggplant and I'm just gonna cut it up and use it in this recipe. So you can use whatever you have in your fridge, any veggies you want. Some onions, some red bell peppers.
Hey, capsicum.
I actually called it a capsicum today.
She did.
Some zucchinis, some mushrooms, this old leftover eggplant, and some tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
Now to dice your onion, just gonna cut off the top, cut it in half, and peel.
We're not using my knife. It's a trader knife. It almost cut Steph's hands off.
I'm crying.
It's a trader knife. That's right. That's why you should get the one that I recommend.
Crying from the
Link in the description.
Crying from the onion though.
The only reason that we're not using my knife is because we can't find it when we moved. You're not sure where it is.
We have no idea where it is.
No idea where it is. Shame, Steph's crying. You need to play that sad violins music.
Son.
You crying?
Oh God.
You crying, Bobby?
Bad one.
You crying or what? Oh, Bobby's crying. Need that fresh air? You know, I think too much crying?
Even open my eyes.
Can't even open her eyes.
Just gonna add some olive oil, about a tablespoon. Turn it on. It really hurts. Oh my God, it's so bad. I'm never cutting an onion again.
No, you just need a good knife. This wouldn't happen with my knife.
Okay. You're gonna take your onions. You're just gonna put them in the pan. Really difficult. Let those saute while we cut the red bell peppers. So, I'm just gonna do this fast. You guys have seen us cut red bell peppers a million times, right? Kind of just did that backwards, but that's okay. Doesn't really matter. Still has the same effect. Now, just chuck this in. Onions are sizzling. Give that a mix. Turn it down a little bit. And come back over here to chop up the zucchini.
Wow, look at those skills.
I know. I learned from my husband.
That's right.
Thumbs up for Adam's chef tricks and knife skills. You don't have to rush and do this. You can make this like a meditation. Like cutting is a really awesome way to just meditate and chill, put on some music, which is usually what I've been doing lately, just blasting music and cutting up a bunch of vegetables. If you do want to do that though, just make sure your flame isn't too high or else you're gonna burn it. So, be aware.
Spuds are in the oven for an hour, so you got plenty of time.
Yeah, plenty of time. Okay, add in the rest of the zucchini. Okay, just gonna put up the flame a little bit. Give it a stir. Now's a good time to add in some salt and pepper.
What's this? Where's your scrap bowl?
I don't know, I'm just making a mess.
Why isn't there a scrap bowl?
There is, look.
Where? Oh.
Haha. I was putting stuff in there.
Okay.
Mushrooms are obviously optional. We know a lot of you don't like mushrooms.
Cut in half.
Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, I knew that. Okay.
There you go.
Yeah,
Lie
yeah,
down.
yeah. Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
I should have like an encyclopedia of cutting vegetables.
Okay.
That would be good. Thumbs up for if you want an encyclopedia of how to cut vegetables. There you go. In half. There you go. Oh, look at that. You're a pro. Wow, good job cutting.
Thank you. I think I may have forgotten to say, wash your vegetables. I washed all of these beforehand. Mushrooms often have a lot of dirt on them, so make sure that you wash them really well before cooking. All right. Some tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Tomato, whatever.
Then teach the kid to say tomato.
Tell them how big the kid is right now.
It's the size of a little mango. Wait, where's your mango? Get your mango.
I don't know.
Get your mango.
Cotton tomatoes, bro.
Show them your mango. There it is.
Somehow this is in here.
A little mango.
20 weeks today.
Oh, wow.
Halfway through.
Wow. And you're so pretty.
Thanks. I feel good. All right, add in the tomatoes. Mix it all around.
This would be a meal on its own. You could just have like a vegetable medley.
Totally. This is a lot faster if you already do what we do, which is cook off the potatoes once a week. So like if the potatoes were already done, this would only take you like 20 minutes to whip it up really fast and then just grab a potato that was already cooked out of the fridge. So there's lots of ways to use this recipe. You can meal prep it, you can eat it as a family dinner, and just use whatever you have in your fridge. It's awesome. So we're gonna add in some black beans. But if you don't wanna add in beans, you don't have to. I don't actually really like it with the beans. Adam loves it with the beans, so I'm adding it for Adam.
I love it with the beans.
I'd rather with it just the veggies. But you can also add things like tofu.
Yeah, you got anything you want.
There's like literally no end to this recipe.
You could add any bean that you want.
Just gonna drain these. Come on.
It's a hazard.
I'm pregnant. Okay, we're gonna add in these beans. Everything's cooking down nicely. Last step is some spices and tomato paste. Tomato paste.
What was that? Sound like you're British.
I was trying to be you,
Tomato paste. Is that how I sound?
basically.
Tomato man. Tomato. Say it. Tomato. Holy. What the heck was that? How did you do that? How? How did you do this?
I'm pregnant, it happens.
You just put it on and you just turn it around.
Yeah, really? I had no idea. Okay, this is officially the most
Do we
annoying.
need to perform surgery on this can? What did you do?
I don't know.
Bro, there's still like, look, it's attached there and it's attached there.
I know, but look, it's not working. See, watch.
Teammate, I'll hold it.
See? See? Why is this so difficult? Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, right on. Now we're gonna add some tomato paste.
Tomato mate.
Add like, I don't know, like 2 tablespoons.
That was 2 tablespoons of the first stop. That's 2 tablespoons.
Yeah, whatever. Alright, so now this is just gonna like congeal it all together. Turn it down because it's pretty much everything's like
basically
cooked.
done.
So just gonna turn it down, add some spices, and that's done. We're gonna add in some Italian seasonings. Really, you can just add in whatever you want. Whatever seasoning is your fave. It'll taste good with anything. You can make it a little spicy, add some like red pepper, whatever you want. Add some more salt and pepper. Mix it all together. Beautiful, look at that. Now we're just gonna turn it off and just let this chill while we go make the cashew cream. So the cashew cream is totally optional, but if you're gonna make it, you should just make it in the beginning of the week and then store it in a mason jar and add it on top when you're gonna eat it. So first, we're gonna take our cashews from before. We're just gonna drain out some of the liquid. Okay. Now we're just gonna put it in a food processor. We're gonna add in 1 clove of garlic, half of a date. I already ate the other half. And half of a lemon.
Hey, where's my squeezer?
I don't know, it's somewhere lost in our moving boxes.
Ah, Maradona. Oh, cool little trick. That's a cool little trick.
Oh, I never thought that was a trick.
Oh, wow. Look at that juice you're getting.
I know.
Oh, you're a genius.
Thank you.
Did you plug it in?
Or not. I did plug it in.
Did you lock it on?
Wait, it's a lock.
No, you need it.
Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
I don't know. It's not going.
Is it plugged in?
Yeah.
Switch.
You're just gonna let this go for a while until it reaches the sour cream consistency, and what you're gonna do is just add in some water until it reaches that consistency. So, here we go.
Alright, I'm gonna get in there. Climbing up on the table. I'm really up here.
I see that. Gonna push all the stuff down. Let's get a little test.
You good?
Needs a little bit more lemon.
Lemon?
Make it that soury taste. And as you can see, it's not like that right consistency yet. Oops.
Oh,
sorry.
camera.
What are you doing up there?
Well, I'm getting that shot.
All right, so we're just gonna let it go for a little while, and then we'll see if we need to add more water.
Nope. Oh, wow.
So you can see it's a little creamier now.
Oh, wow.
Tastes good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water. This is like all to your liking. Can't really go wrong. And I totally got this recipe from Medical Medium. This is the best cashew sour cream I've found. So I'm not even gonna try to make it better because it's amazing. True confession time. I used to be a sour creamaholic.
Oh, yeah?
I was like the kind of person that would be like, would you like some potatoes with your sour cream? I love sour cream. Anyway, so this is now a great replacement for sour cream. I do not miss sour cream at all. It tastes so good. And we've actually brought this recipe and the sour cream to multiple people's houses if we're gonna like cook dinner and have a dinner party. And everybody loves this recipe and cannot believe how much the sour cream really tastes like sour cream. The potatoes are done. Oh yeah, look at them.
Oh, the spuds. Go, go, go. It's a wee little potato. Oh, hi.
Hi. So let those chill for a hot second, and then we will start putting it all together in the meal prep containers, which is why I was saying that this is a lot faster to do if the potatoes have already been cooked. So you should do what we do, and in the beginning of your week, just throw these in the oven and cook off a ton of potatoes.
All right, I lost you.
Oh, okay.
Where's your potato? Oh, there it is.
It's hot, hurry up.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Hot potato, okay.
I told you I was gonna sneeze.
So, we're just gonna put it in the middle, cut it in half. Hot potato. All right, there we go. If you're gonna store these in the fridge, after you put on your mixture on top of the potato, you're gonna cover it once it's cool and put it in the fridge. Once you eat it, you can add on some cashew cream and some optional cilantro and avocado.
Oh, wow.
Fancy. Obviously, you do not need to put this in a bag and do this, but just make it look pretty.
Wow.
Beautiful. Optional, but delicious. Some fresh cilantro. This on a dinner plate looks so amazing. Your guests or anyone you're feeding will be like, wow, that's fancy. seriously, how good does this look? Like, gourmet meal. This could easily cost you like 25 bucks in a vegan restaurant, but this looks so good, right? Okay, so don't forget, if you make this, send us a picture. You can hashtag #StephanAdam and we will see it and respond to you guys. And special thanks to all of our patrons who have been supporting us. We just got a Patreon, so you can click the link in the description box below if you would like to support our channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Namaste.
Yeah. What's that face?
It's back to Chef Stuff faces.
Okay. And scene.